let's upcycle a creamer container into an adorable snowman that we can make into a gift or decor, up to you. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I don't know about you, but I have 1,100 of these creamer containers. I start by washing it out, obviously, dry it, make sure that you get all of the wrapper off. Then I have an old sweater. This is an old yucky sweater. I cut the sleeve off of it and we're going to make a hat. Now I'm making a hat, but I'm going to show you another way to do the hat as well. I put some jute, just tied it, made some little strings by just cutting little strips. I cut a strip of the sweater. It's probably 12 inches long. Give it a good stretch and then put that aside. Now we're going to do the face. I use the back of this dauber. Perfect circle. Just dab it in paint and dab it on there. Then I have this wood biscuit and I'm going to paint it orange. I'm just using, I think cheapo paint. I have some liquid fusion that I'm going to use and some hot glue just to make sure that this stays. So we're going to glue the nose on to our snowman. Cute, right? Now we're going to use a smaller dauber and same process. We're going to dip it in black paint. And this is multi-surface paint, by the way. And I'm just going and I did 5 dots for the mouth. You could do as many as you want. It's fine. Look at how cute this is though. Look at his face. I love it already. So fun. And seriously, I go through so much of this creamer that I needed to find something to do with them. Then I took another dauber, and this is a dry brush kind of technique. I just put a little paint, a little pink on it to make little cheeks. Now I'm using a wood skewer, and I'm using the end of it to do 2 little white dots, and then the very tip of it to do another one to give it a little sparkle in our snowman's eyes. Look at how fun. All right, now we're going to add the snowman's scarf. Again, it's probably 12, 14 inches long. If you cut it right, then it'll stretch. I glued just a little bit of glue just to keep the scarf from moving. And I also put a little dot of glue on the scarf itself because I liked the way it had that little curve to it and I wanted to have that stay that way. Adorable, right? I also printed off these little cards and it says, hug in a jug, because guess what? We're going to fill it with hot cocoa mix. You can buy Swiss Miss in a big jug and just fill it. I mean, you could make your own. Adorable, right? So we're going to just put a little hole in it. We're going to tie it to our little snowman, put our snowman cap on and stop it. Like, quit it. I love this. And then you could take the little hat off. You could use it this way, or you can unscrew the cap so that you could do your hot cocoa mix. I mean, seriously, adorable, right? All right, so, and I love it, but then I was like, I'm not so hip on the hat. The hat's got me, So I cut the other sleeve, and it's about 12 inches long. And now, this is the easier way to do it. I'll be honest, it's so much easier. I just cut little strips on the cut end of our sleeve, okay? Little strips. You don't want them too thin, but you don't want them too thick either. And then I'm going to give them a stretch because when you stretch them, they kind of curl on themselves. Looks wicked cute. Then I'm going to take some jute and just tie a knot at the top and then put it on your snowman and stop it. Look at how cute he looks. Oh my gosh. That's my favorite way. I'm just saying you could give it as a gift. This would be a great teacher gift. You could give it to your mail person, your garbage delivery, not garbage delivery. Who am I saying? Garbage retrieval person. Love me through it. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.